lip gloss check. Much better.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a review slash demo of the KKW Beauty powder and concealer. I have these for a while now and I don't know why I just never got around to filming the review for these products, but today's the day. I know everyone and their mom has already talked about this product, has already raved about it, has already hated it. And today I'm here to give you my opinion, obviously. I'm going to start off by saying that I'm sorry I'm touching my hair so much. I don't know why I'm doing it. Anyways, if I'm going to be totally completely honest, I didn't want to like these products. I went into trying them with like being petty, like, oh, this is gonna be crap, oh, I'm not gonna like this. And surprise, surprise, this powder is my new holy grail everyday use powder. Now, starting off with the concealer, which looks like this. This is what the little component looks like. Now, the concealer retails for $18 and it is available in 16 tones. And it contains 4.60 grams of product. Now, this concealer, at first I was kind of like iffy about it because my favorite concealer is the ColourPop concealer, no filter concealer, and that one I would say has a bit more coverage compared to this one. But I like this on the days that it's super hot and I don't want a lot of product under my eyes or anything that feels a little too heavy or that's like super full coverage, because the more full coverage of a product that you put under your eyes, the sooner it will start creasing, especially on hot ass days like there has been here in California, which, by the way, I told you guys in the last video, I hate the heat with a passion. I feel like the amount of product is kind of around like the basic amount that other brands have in their concealer. If I'm wrong, you know, you can sound out in the comments down below and let me know, like, no girl, it's too little. But I think it's fine for the price. I mean, honestly, I thought this concealer was going to be more expensive, knowing the brand it is, and you're actually buying the name of the brand more than you are buying the product. So this concealer feels really lightweight under my eyes, but at the same time, like you can see in the demo, I am going to apply some more after I do the first layer, just so you guys can see that it won't look super caked up and it'll still look lightweight, but you still look illuminated, which is something that I really like and enjoy about this concealer. It does dry down somewhat quickly, but you do have enough time to, you know, like I did, applied concealer all over my face, you know, down the bridge of my nose, my chin. You do have the time to blend it in without it, you know, drying out and looking like extra gross or crepey or anything like that. It is a very creamy concealer, in the sense that it feels moisturizing, like it adds a little moisture to your under eyes, which I was very surprised. You know, you would think that Kim Kardashian, I don't know why I thought that she would have a more dry formula, like a more dry concealer formula, like thicker, but this is a really good formula in my opinion. I personally really like it, and you guys know I'm all about like being honest until I die. So I'm not over here like, oh, I like this product and I really hate it. Like, no, I actually use it. One thing I would like to say is that I would probably purchase a lighter shade because this one's a little too yellow toned for my preference. It still looks good. It still looks nice on the skin. You know, I'm wearing it today, obviously. But I would like one that's I would like a concealer that's a little less yellow, maybe more like of a neutral undertone. So yeah, It is full coverage, but it feels light. It looks pretty on the skin. It blends nicely. I like it. I am so surprised that I actually liked it, and I actually truly enjoyed it because I actually tried it out more than once. I mean, I've been wearing it nonstop. Moving on to the baking powder, which looks like this. I actually love the packaging on this. It's like clear, so you can see the powder and how much powder you have. It's a square, and up here there's some color, like a nudie pink color. I love the packaging on the powder. This also retails for $18, and it's available in 4 tones, and it kind of goes like translucent, light, medium, dark, and it does have 3.60 grams of product, which this one I do feel like it is a little bit compared to other powders that I have, but I'm okay with it because it was only $18, so I kind of feel like you know, you kind of get your worth of $18. Now this powder is so freaking finely milled. Like, I know everyone uses that word lightly now around any single powder that comes out, but this is literally very, very finely milled. Like, you cannot feel a single grain of anything. It just feels like silk to the touch, and it's so smooth. What I like about this powder is that it smooths out my skin and gives me like that filtered look. And I have big pores, so something that does that to my skin is like, oh, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, because that's freaking amazing. It never gets cakey under my eyes, which I have a huge problem with that because I have a lot of fine lines under my eyes. Like, why are they coming out? Like, I'm only 26. Like, let me live without wrinkles. But now, you know, I have to have these huge ass lines under my eyes. And the fact that this powder doesn't emphasize those lines, doesn't make it look crepey or dry, I love it. Like, I love it. If this was 28 bucks, 30 bucks, I would still repurchase it because I love it that much that it does all that to my skin. Like, thank you. Thank you. Like, this powder is my new go-to holy grail. And you guys know I've been using this powder over here, the RCMA. Like, this was everything to me. It still is, but this one is just a little bit better. Like, just a slight bit better. And the best part is that there's no flashback when you take your selfies. Yep, that's my favorite part because we all have those moments where it looks a little too bright under when they take a picture with flash, you know, and it's not a cute look. I also like to set my whole face with this powder, so this powder just does everything for me. I freaking love it. I'm obsessed with it. Do I recommend it? 100 effing% I do. And this is not just because, you know, oh, it's Kim Kardashian's brand. No, I actually truly like this powder and I'm freaking obsessed with it. Now this, I would give it a 10 stars out of 5 because it's so bomb. And the concealer, I would give it a 4 out of 5 stars. It's a good concealer. I like it. I still use it. Is it my favorite? No, because I already have my favorite, my holy grail concealers that, you know, they're just there already, and compared to this one, like, I just like that one more. But this one now in the summer, bomb. I've been using it more because it's so hot, and I figured out that, like, it makes my under eyes look snatched and really good and not crepey and not dry and not, you know, all of that bad stuff. This concealer is good for the summer. And I mean all year round, but specifically right now I'm really liking it because it's so hot and I'm just liking it. So if you were expecting this review to be a bad one or like a crappy one or like me talking shit on the brand, it's not. I mean, there's other products that I've said in my anti-hauls that I wouldn't purchase, that I wouldn't try, and that's exactly why I haven't tried those products and I didn't purchase them. I wanted to try these products out since I saw they were launching, and I did still wait some time, because I wanted to see other people's reviews, and a lot of them were not the best, and that just goes to show that products work differently for everyone.
And I know a lot of people were probably expecting me to be like, oh, I hate these products, they're the worst. Like, don't waste your money.
No, go spend your coins because they're amazing.
And I actually really like them. I tried them. I mean, I've been trying them for how long? I've had these products for like ever already. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and if you try them out or you tried them out, let me know what you think in the comments down below, and let's chat about how these concealers work. And I meant this concealer and this powder. Let's talk about how these products work if you've tried them, or if you wish to try them. Let me know if you actually would, you know, give it a try. But this was my first experience with KKW Beauty, and honestly, I would try other of her products. I honestly would. So yeah, that's the tea. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought. Again, sound off in the comments if you would try these products, or if you already did and you hated them. Let me know. I want to know, you know. I want to be a chismosa. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all your support, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.